Berryman Total Engine Tune-Up has been professionally formulated for all gasoline and diesel engines, including turbos. Improves hard starting, rough idle, and hesitation. Safe on catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and diesel systems. When using it in the gas tank, it effectively cleans all fuel injectors, including direct injection systems, cleans carburetors and intake valves while simultaneously controlling carbon deposits, reduces engine knocking and pinging. 16 ounces of Berryman Total Engine Tune-Up will treat up to 30 gallons of fuel for faster starting, smoother idle, and improved responsiveness. Equally effective in the diesel fuel tank, it effectively cleans all conventional and high-pressure common rail fuel injectors. Maximizes fuel pump and fuel injector life. 16 ounces of Berryman Total Engine Tune-Up stabilizes fuel for up to 12 months. The Berryman Total Engine Tune-Up is also great in the crankcase, as it frees sticky lifters and stuck rings for quieter operation and better compression. Outstanding at cleaning sludge, dispersing carbon, and controlling blow-by contaminants. Restores depleted lubrication for better startup protection, and it's easy to use. 8 ounces treats up to 6 quarts of engine oil for smoother idle and better circulation. Also great as an engine flush, safe on all PCV and EGR components. To learn more about all the products Berryman offers, visit berrymanproducts.com.